The Holy Metropolis of Abkhazia brought joy to children during the holidays. Joyful children's laughter once again filled the halls of the Gumba Abkhaz State Philharmonic. Nearly 500 young guests from across Abkhazia gathered for the traditional Christmas performance, which the Holy Metropolis of Abkhazia has been organizing since 2005. The highlight of the celebration was a touching theatrical performance in the Abkhaz language, a retelling of the Nativity of Christ, thoughtfully adapted for the local audience. The play was prepared by students of the theater studio under the direction of Jambul Zhordania. A special impression was made by a video featuring a performance of a Christmas kalanda. The pure voices of children singing about the birth of the Savior served as a bridge between ancient tradition and modernity. Interestingly, the word kalanda, derived from the Latin calendae, is deeply rooted in Abkhaz culture. As early as the first Russian-Abkhaz dictionary of 1827, compiled by V.P. Romanov, the new year was referred to as akalanda. To this day, for example, in the village of Mgudzyrkhua in the Gudauta district, the Gubaz family performs a special prayer ritual of kalandy on New Year's Eve. After the performance, the children enjoyed fun games and the most anticipated moment, the distribution of Christmas gifts to each of the 500 participants as part of the Holy Metropolis of Abkhazia's charitable program. This holiday is a true act of mercy, aimed at supporting families from remote regions of the Republic, ensuring equal access for children to the joy of celebration, and preserving the ethno-cultural identity of Abkhazia. The Holy Metropolis of Abkhazia expresses sincere gratitude to everyone who helped make this day truly bright and unforgettable for hundreds of children.